Yeah, it was me. So I think you didn't see what I needed you to do. Okay, never mind. I'm going to give you the two set now. Take for our friends who have packed the bags. Each bag here has 20 milliliters. Now, so please take good care of these tiny little tubes, mini tubes here. Make sure you don't lose it. Zaylan and Timon, are you in a hurry to go back later? Really? Oh, mother tongue.
After school, I can stay back for one meal.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, I can.
Okay, just need you to stay back for a short while. To talk about our project. Hang on. Okay. I just need you to stay back for a short while to discuss about our project. Okay, now it's back alive. All right, so earlier on I was saying okay, so earlier on I was saying that I recorded the videos. Can you stop talking, please? Okay, earlier on I was saying that I recorded all the videos for the next few questions. Question 3, 4, 5, including the higher level questions as well, level 3 questions. So earlier on, I was also saying, which didn't get recorded on the video, that there's a mistake here. And I was very glad that I can say now on video that no one spotted the mistake, as well as some of our friends, and pointed out that it's important that we cannot assume measurements. We must find out measurements based on the information provided. Okay, so moving on, we are done with this. Please make sure you go home and catch up the video to finish up the work on the next few pages. Okay? Including the level 3, I will be posting the videos up. So please complete the work. Now we are in a new chapter. Let's take a look at volume. To begin the chapter, there is this page here. Here. And there's a little video.
More than 16.
Oh,
So 13 is the next number. 16.
Sorry, this is a different video that I want to see. That not you are going to see, but another group of students will see. Okay, so there's a little video here. Let's take a look.
What is the volume of water needed to fill up this tank completely? How many unit cubes can this box hold? How would you find the volume of this solid?
Now, in this very short video, it just talks about a few things in the page. And then he mentioned volume of a few things. And he says here, there's this tank that is not completely filled. There's this Rubik cube that is moving. And there's this container that you can put cubes into it. And then there's this solid that looks like the letter U and ask you the volume of it. Just now, I heard Adrian from far end, he says something about mass. Now, if I put this U-shaped thing on the weight scale, it tells me the mass of the object. Is this the same as volume? No, this is not the same as volume. But we will come to learn in secondary school how they may be related. Okay, and that's where my favorite mathematician Archimedes story comes about. On the following page, on page 122, there's some ideas here that share. A lot of us say, I know volume from primary 1 and 2 when we talk about liquid. You put water in the container, you put the water in the fish tank, you drink water from the water bottle. That's the volume you have learned. Agree? It sounds like familiar. So at the bottom here, you see this is what you learn at primary 1, 2, and 3. And 4. And 4 in primary 4, you talk about using not just a single unit, but a combination of units like liters and milliliters put together. So for example, here you see altogether how much water is there in these containers? 1 liter and 500 milliliters. So altogether you have 1 liter and additional 500 milliliters. Right? Okay, so this is the volume that we understood previously. We also learned about the term capacity. Earlier on in chapter on fraction, I also mentioned about it before. Right? A capacity of a container is when you until its fullness, completely full. When the container is full, the capacity means the full amount it can hold. Then there is this cube and cuboid thing. We learned about cubes in primary 1 and 2 that is made up of 6 square faces and all edges have the same length. Now, here says this little robot says a cube or cuboid takes up space, so it has volume. You hear this before in science, right? It talks about living things and non-living things, right? And then it talks about solid, liquid, gas. Sound familiar? Matter, states of matter. And we understand that as long as anything that takes up space and has volume is a form of matter. So any form of matter, no matter it's solid, liquid, gas, will have something that you can measure. Its length, its mass, its volume. Okay? Its height. These are all different ways to measure. So then we talk about a cuboid. Cuboid is what you learn in primary 2 or primary 1 also. A cuboid is similar to a cube, only that is stretched outwards, such that four of its 6 faces is rectangular. Now, at this point, I show you the video that I wanted to show you previously, coming from one of my favorite movies, okay, called Inside Out. Have you heard about that before? Inside Out. In the video, in the movie Inside Out, it's very interesting because it's about emotions. You know about. Have you watched Inside Out before? Inside Out, and it's very funny because there's this reaction when they eat the broccoli, right? Yeah, and then so it talks about how our main character Riley in the movie Inside Out goes through changes when they taste food, and there are different emotions. Now, what I most like is how they use colors, shapes to talk about what happens that goes on in your head. Okay, like here. Okay, I'll take a look at this one here. Okay, let's check if there's having sound. And he's one of my favorite characters.
Here, after you.
Joy,
What?
well, I read about this place in the manual. We should.
Here, after you.
Joy,
What?
well, I read about this place in the manual. We shouldn't go in there.
Bing Bong says it's the quickest way to headquarters.
No, but Joy, this is abstract thought.
What are you talking about? I go in here all the time. It's a shortcut, you see? D-A-N-G-E-R, shortcut. I'll prove it to you. Look at me. I'm closer to the station because I'm taking the shortcut.
Let's go around. This way.
Almost there.
If you want to walk the long way, go for it. But Riley needs to be happy. I'm not missing that train. Bing Bong knows what he's doing. He's part dolphin. They're very smart.
Well, I guess.
When I tell you, you'll be at headquarters in no time.
Oh!
Hey, would you look at that?
Whoa, whoa. What's happening?
No, they turned it on.
Never seen this before.
Ah!
My face! My beautiful face! Ow!
What is going
We're
on?
abstracting. There are 4 stages. This is the first. Non-objective fragmentation.
All right, do not panic. What is important is that we all stay together. Oh!
We're in the second stage. We're deconstructing.
Ah! I can't feel my legs! Oh, there they are.
Come here, me.
We gotta get out of here before we're nothing but shape and color. Ow! We'll get stuck here forever.
Doug, why do we come in here?
I told you! It's a shortcut!
The train!
Oh no, we're 2-dimensional. That's stage 3.
We're getting nowhere!
Depth! I'm lacking depth!
Come on! We can't fit!
Oh no, we're not figurative. This is the last stage.
We're not gonna make it!
Wait, we're 2-dimensional. Fall on your face.
Stop! Stop! No! You said there was a shortcut.
I did! But wow, we should not have gone in there. That was dangerous. They really should put up a sign.
How long to the next train?
Who knows?
Oh no, we're two-dimensional. That's stage 3.
We're getting nowhere!
Depth! I'm lacking depth!
Come on!
Fall on your face!
Okay. Yes, I get excited now. Then we move on to the question. Now, while our friends here can hear when Ayla at home and our friends who are absent cannot hear. If these are time when I unmute myself, and then I'm going to end up schooling people. You know what? The material that I want to say don't get recorded. The time that I was unmuted, I was muted just now. I said something very important. When I was muted, I was saying something important and you managed to give such brilliant answers. One house said very brilliant answers, you said very brilliant answers, some of you said very brilliant things. And I was, if I can, I want to record all that you said just now, so amazing things. However, when I just as I unmute myself, I turn my let me leave like slowly people. And this kind of thing want to be recorded. Really? No, I don't want that. So earlier on, we were able to draw this. I stop share first. And this is what I wanted everybody to see. 1 dimension to 2 dimensions to 3 dimensions. And see how deep that swimming pool is. So, we want you to hold this for a while. Yeah, thank you. Make sure that it goes recorded. Okay. When your hands get sore, then you can. Okay. Okay. So from here, just now someone said something important. When I multiply these three measurements, 1 dimension, 2 dimension, 3 dimension, this will give me a measurement called volume. Right. Okay. Now, if I use 1 dimension times 2 dimension, what do you think is this measurement I'm measuring? I times multiply length and breadth. What is this measurement?
Area.
Area. Very good. So the space inside is a multiplication. This 2-dimension measurement we get is called area. You understand? Now what about this? We agree. The dimension of measurement is called length. If it's in units, what is this measurement? Let's say possible cm or meters. Okay? Or kilometers, right? Now, so what is one possible measurement of this? Clearly, area. cm with a little 2. Square centimeters, it could be square centimeters or meters, square meters, right? With a little 2 there. Why is there a little 2? Do you now understand? I'm taking 2 possible measurements. Say, for example, centimeter times centimeter. And I multiply, so cm times cm, I get a square centimeter. You understand?
Yes.
Now, what do you think? Well, it's a possible unit of this. What is that volume unit?
Cube unit.
Cube unit. Very good. So it could be cubic units. So it could be units. Unit cm can be unit. Then square centimeter can be unit square units. Come to volume, it can be cube unit or cube centimeter or cube meters. Can you understand this? Cubic, we call it cubic unit. Can you understand? So, meaning when I have the length, that's cm, times the breadth, that's cm, for example, and how deep or how tall it is, that's another measurement. cm times cm times cm give me cubic centimeters. Can you understand?
Yes.
And when we understand this, that right now this is a cube, like a swimming pool. This is a swimming pool. I start to pour water into it. Yeah, into the swimming pool, right? And what do we understand about the swimming pool volume? It's in liters. Very good. Someone said liters. In liters. Or milliliters. Then how is this related to cubic units? Since they are both volume. That is the thing that's the thing we have to solve by the end of this chapter. Okay, you understand, right? So, right, okay, now lastly, now we understand what they are just trying to say. This one. Oh, I want to ask you first. Anybody saw what I just shared was trying to share? You saw already, yeah. Okay, I was showing 1 dimension, 2 dimension, and 3 dimension. And I was about to ask you, what do you think is 0 dimension? A dot. You managed to see that just now, right? A dot. So and where do you write the dot from here? Where do we see the dot? A full stop in the decimal. But in shapes, I'm talking about shapes. Where can you find a dot in shape? Are you sure a circle is 1 dimension, 0 dimension? Very good, very good, getting there. A circle, is it 0 dimension? No, a circle can find area. This is primary 6. Finding area of circles, primary 6. Okay, you need to do this. But no, we're talking about a dog, like a full stop here. No, it's not nothing. Full stop. Are you saying a full stop is nothing? Well, this is got to do with angles, but is it, are you sure this is 1 dimension, 0 dimension? I can measure what the space, this length. Which part of the angle? Can I write a dot? Very good. Good. Awesome. The sharp part. Okay, meaning the points of the line. Remember? Yes. And every shape can have a dot. Like a corner. Okay? Okay, so that's not very important. When in secondary school, then you will talk about this little dot. Okay? Has a lot of interesting properties. When you put nothing, right now just you know, when I make many dots line up together, you can get. When I get many dots line up together, what do you get? A line. When I make lines meet, like for example a top and a straight line, what can I get? A shape. When I stack many squares, like a poker card, right? You play poker card before? No, not supposed to play poker card, you know? You play Uno card before? You see a stack of Uno card before? You can make a stack of Uno card before it's 3D, right? Okay, now. Okay, enough of talking. We want to try our hands on these cubes now. Okay, now I give you these cubes. Okay, can you see how now? Whether can you understand? Can you understand now that? Can you understand right now that where I can get a cubic unit? So this is what our teacher told us. Can you see where that cubic unit comes from? Volume. It comes from volume. I take the amount of space that this cube occupies is called volume. Okay, now. First person in the group can come and get my friends. Take. Okay, you managed to find the cubes. Now you got the cubes with you. Now, I bought these cubes and in 1 centimeter size, such that does everyone has a bag of cubes? Anybody missing out a set of cubes? Can you check if your bag has 20 cubes first? Okay, now. Okay, can I borrow your textbook for one? Thank you. Okay, so I did Luke's textbook here, and I'm taking a look at this page here. It says unit, cubic unit. In this case, I gave you centimeter cubes. Okay, meaning if I take 1 cube here, okay, and I put it to my ruler. This is my ruler, a bit old, but still useful. Okay, and I put it, and I can see that here, and I can see. Can you see? It's 1 centimeter, and then it's. Can you see? It's 1 centimeter, and all sides are 1 centimeter, and all sides 1 centimeter, Can see, right? Okay, now, just like the one here. Well, you see, your book is a two-dimensional object. Your book is flat, right? But can you see that this is a three-dimensional shape? It's trying to get you to visualize a three-dimensional object. But actually, this is flat. You know, if it's 3D, your book is pop out, right? Correct or not? But your book is not pop out, you know? It's flat. I cannot touch it and feel the the three different dimensions. Okay? Now, let's try to form this shape here. This one. This little cube. Oh, it's a bit smaller. Yeah, then I must go and complain to the person who sell me this. It might eat a little bit off. Okay, can we try this? Done? Next week I'm gonna borrow some handphones in. Okay, to get it so that you can take picture of your creations. Now you are at your table. It's quite challenging for me to go to every of your table to see. Okay, next week I'm going to get you to post, take photo, post, and share on Google Classroom or ClassDojo. I will borrow phones for everyone. Have you made already? Are you able to make like this? Can see or not? Are you successful in making this? Now you see, what do you see? Can you see? Can you see that I'm making it a bit hard, right? What do you see from my camera? Only see 4 squares, right? Yeah. I can only see if it's correct if I take my phone out and I go around this. Right now. Then you can really see if it's correctly done. So is mine correct? Yeah, okay. How many cubes did I use to make? Okay. Now, no. Look at the screen. Look at the screen. Please look at the screen. If I put my phone like this, what do you see? Very flat 2D, only see 4 squares, right? Now, if I use a square grid to draw this, it will not work. You will see like this only. So if you see, if I put my camera like that, can you see more 3D? Can you see, right? It's more, it looks more 3D here. And that's why such drawing is done in this manner. Okay. Now, you're done with this, right? How many cubes do you use to make? 8. So 8 cubes. So 8 cubic units. Volume of a cube is 8 cubic units. Hey, Pedro, are you doing the same thing that you are doing? Okay. I'm going to allow you to bring this bag of cubes home. So you want to play however you want, you can play later at home, okay? Right now you follow the task in class first. Is that okay? Now, can I ask you to make sure you bring these cubes back next Monday, Tuesday? We are going to use these cubes for the whole of next week. Understand? Now, let's try the next one. This one can make enough. Quite easy, right? Just 3 blocks. So 3 blocks, what is the volume of the cuboid? 3 cubic units. Can you see the 3 dimensions that your friend just commented? A cuboid has length, breadth, and height. So these are the 3 dimensions. Breadth, length, and height. How tall, how long, how wide the cuboid is. Okay, this one can make enough. Is it difficult or easy? You said use 10 units. Is it easy to make? Easy? Make already? Make already, then I go to you.
I'm already done.
Okay. Say hi to Audi.
Hello.
Okay, and his cubes. Okay, say hi to Ashton and the cubes. Okay, done. Okay. Okay, that's the previous one already. With the next question already. Okay, now moving on. These are easy, right? Easy, right? So far, enjoying yourself so far in this chapter? Yes. Okay, move on to the next one. Next one a bit harder. Solid A, B, C, D. Okay. Now you try the next one on the next page here. Let me just push this a bit. Now you, yeah. Okay. Now, apart from saying done, I also want you to be able to read what is written there. Can you also read what's written there? Now, it says here, the following solids are built with unit cubes. Now, use the cubes to build them. Can you see there's these two lines here? What do you think these two lines, three lines, sorry. Can you see the three lines that in your book? Very good. Wow. Audi, well done. You sound like you're going to be a future pro in dimension. Okay. It says these three lines shows a 3-dimension. In secondary school, you learn to draw things in 3-dimensional space. Now, do you remember when is the last time you did this kind of thing? No, just this year only. You make a ball move in the space. The spheroid, you remember the spheroid? And there's a grid also. There's some axis there. Yeah. So in secondary school, you know how to put this thing into space on a program. Okay, now, so these three lines shows the 3 dimensions. Are you able to build this? It says use 5 cubes. Are you indeed using 5 cubes now? But in my picture, what happened here? It looks like 4. Ah, okay. Can you understand or not? Yeah. This is really one of the really tricky things. You find it super easy, that's great, huh? I feel a little sad that Zori isn't here. I think he would have enjoyed this, right? Yeah, I think he probably feels scared and worried that we are doing the word problems again. Okay. Do you agree that this is a little bit more fun than word problems? Yes, it is. Much more fun than word problems are. But unfortunately, word problems is an important part of maths. Okay? Okay? All right? And hello, you really need to know that in the exam time, you are not going to be given these cubes. Okay? Now, again, can you see what happens if I put my camera like that? What do you see from my camera? Something like an L shape. How many squares you see? 4. Can you really see there's 3 dimensions? No, it kind of looks flat. It's like just now, Bing Bong the elephant says 4 on your face, right? No. Sadness say 4 on your face. It's only when I move my camera like that. Can you see the 3 dimension? No, but again I move, you can see the 3 dimension. But can you see the hidden cube? You sure you can see the hidden cube? A little bit. But then it's camouflage here, right? It's hidden. It's hidden. Do you know what I'm talking about? So this cube here can't be floating in the air. You know what I'm talking about? There must be something underneath it to support it. That's why it's 5. Okay. Hannah says, hey, Miss Lee, come over here, please. I already made A, B, C, D. Destroy already. I know. Hey, huh? Oh. You see C already. Okay, C. Okay, now come over here. I will go through all again. Okay, over here, show this one. Is it correct or not? C. A, big look. Is it correct? Yes, okay. So how many cubes is used? 8, okay. All right, then there's this one here. Is this correct? How many cubes are used? 6, It's not 4, right? Even though you see only 4, but what happens? There are 2 hidden here. Okay, okay. All right, coming. Who want to see? Okay. Okay, you want who want? Okay, come. Okay, stop. Okay, coming here. Okay. Okay. Is it okay? Okay, can or not? Okay. I can put this in selfie mode also, selfie mode. Okay, then you have this finger. Oh, oops, my finger, sorry, my finger. Okay, then you have some, Okay, coming over. Okay. All right, were you able to see? Okay. Okay, very good. Well done, Nice. Okay. Okay, nice. Okay. All right. Now everybody, 3 o'clock already. Everybody. Okay. Okay. Now, everybody, the last part here, we are calling it a day already. Now, everybody, eyes on me. Thank you. Now, so your homework includes 2 tasks, right? Number 1, please diligently go home and catch up on the previous chapter's problems. And you must do this by yourself. Then finally, everybody, I need you to complete page 150. Already done, Can you please, if you can, this one, you already do or your brother, okay. Then you can do also, okay. Now, boys and girls, are you listening? Surrender. So touching, I ask on the screen, please. Please do this page and this page. You can use the cubes to help you. Now, I will love it if you can ask your daddy, mommy, or somebody at home, take a photo of you doing and share with me. Okay? Let's share a photo of you doing. Oh, you're moving out. Okay. Can you understand? Page 115 and page 116. Please take a video of you doing it and a picture of you doing it and sharing with me. Okay? Okay. Now, please, boys and girls, also do your word problems for areas of composite figures. Can? Okay. Thank you and have a good Friday.